Welcome. In this video, we're going to cover SQL chapters 4, 5, and 6. Getting started writing queries. Useful settings, fonts and colors, line numbers, IntelliSense, also known as autocomplete, adding comments, and basic query structure. We'll begin by selecting Tools, Options. Under the Environment tab, click on the Fonts and Colors. Its default is 10. I selected so that you can see it easier to choose 16. Next, go down to the text editor. Select all languages. Select line numbers. Next, go down to the Transact SQL. Click on the IntelliSense. Make sure that you've enabled IntelliSense. This will help you fill in or let you know when you've made an error in your code. When done, click OK. Next, we're going to begin our first new query. Control+N or select the new query. This is where you can add comments. What you need to do is a slash and an asterisk. Put in your notes, end it with an asterisk and a slash, or you can use double lines, a double dash to add comments. These also are collapsible. Ensure that all of your queries have notes. Maybe you're talking about the chapter or the problem number. Make sure that every query that you write has a note. You'll notice that our lines are being numbered because we added the line numbering. Now let's go ahead and start our first query. It's preferred that you use all caps, but it is not case sensitive. So first we're going to grab our first database. You can type or you can grab to begin to use. Drag and drop. Once you've done a drag and drop of your table, click on the Execute button and you will see at the bottom, command completed successfully, if you completed it successfully. If you haven't, some troubleshooting tips. Did you name, if you typed in your own sales order example, did you type it in correctly? Did you drag across a different table? Say, did you drag across one of the tables and you meant to drag something else? Take a look at your messages and see if you can work your way through it. Because this is an online course, if you take a screenshot of your error messages, you can post and get help in the tutor section. But first try, make a slight change, and see if you can help yourself. Sometimes it means you have to go online and search as well, or look through the book to figure out what you've done incorrectly. For example, as we're setting up our first statement, I put in select and the asterisk. This means select all. Look at what my error message says. It says must specify table to select from. Now we need the second part of our statement. Expand all of your tables. Here's our sales orders example. Underneath are all our tables. Let's go ahead and drag over from the customers in our statement select all from customers. So highlight select all, we drag across the customers, then click the execute. Once we click the execute, down at the bottom, you're beginning to see what we have in that table. Go ahead and try this with some of the others. This concludes this introductory session. Thank you.